Hey friends, if you encounter Google Chrome error code status breakpoint and you wish to fix it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open Google Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and click on history once again. Select delete browsing data, change the time range to all time and select delete from other devices. And then search for Excel narration. There's an option which says use graphic acceleration when available. Just turn the switch off. Now close Chrome and restart your computer. In most probability, it should be fixed by now. If it does not fix the problem, then search for Chrome once again. Open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner. Select settings. Select reset settings. Click on restore settings to the original defaults and reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.